Hey there, welcome back to What's Z. Today, I want to talk about something that's probably affecting you way more than you realize. Digital detox. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, here comes another lecture about putting my phone away, don't worry, I'm not your mom. But I am going to break down what digital detox actually is, why it matters, and how you can try it out without feeling like you've gone back to the Stone Age. So, what digital detox? Well, imagine your phone, laptop, TV, tablet, all the screens you stare at every day, just taking a little nap. Digital detox is about intentionally taking a break from digital devices. No, I'm not saying you need to throw your phone into the ocean. It's more like pressing pause so your brain can take a breather. But why would anyone want to do that? I mean, our phones are basically our lifelines, right? I get it. But here's the thing. Too much screen time can mess with your sleep, stress you out, and even zap your attention span. You ever pick up your phone just to check the time and suddenly you've watched 3 hours of cat videos? Yeah, you're not alone. Digital detox is about hitting the reset button. It's a chance to reconnect with yourself, with real people, and even with the world outside those little glowing rectangles. Studies have shown that even a short break from screens can help improve your mood, boost your focus, and lower anxiety. Sounds pretty nice, right? So how do you actually pull off a digital detox? You don't have to go full-on monk mode. Start small, set aside an hour before bed with no screens. Maybe try a no phones at the dinner table rule. Or pick one day a week to go screen-free for a few hours. The key is to make it doable, for you. And hey, you might discover you actually like it. Suddenly you've got time to read, to go for a walk, or just think. Remember thinking? It's not just for philosophers and people who forget why they walked into a room. I promise your Instagram feed will survive without you for a little while. But heads up, don't be surprised if the first time you try a digital detox, you feel a little twitchy. That's totally normal. Our brains are used to constant notifications and dopamine hits from every buzz and ding. It's gonna take a minute to adjust. Stick with it though, you might find you actually being a little more unplugged. So, what do you think? Could you handle a digital detox? Or does the idea of living without your phone for an hour make you break out in a cold sweat? Be honest. Before I wrap up, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment down below, any question you have about digital detox or any tech term you want me to explain in a future video. Seriously, no question is too small or too weird. I love hearing what you want to know. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for hanging out with me on What's Z. Don't forget to like if you found this helpful and subscribe if you want more easy-to-understand videos about tech, life, and everything in between. Now go try that digital detox, but come back soon.